the MingKwai typewriter. It is one of the cornerstones of global computing. For decades, experts like Thomas Mullaney, a professor here at Stanford, assumed it had been lost to history. But it was just found in a basement in upstate New York, and it was developed by a renowned Chinese linguist named Lin Yutang in the 20th century. Lin wanted to find a way to type the tens of thousands of pictographs which make up the written Chinese language so China could access new digital technologies. The result was the MingKwai. This is the only prototype ever made.
One key followed by one of these keys, and after you did two keys, you would see 8 Chinese characters or character components appear in this little window.
Ling's unique way of typing Chinese characters by breaking them down into separate shapes rather than sounds or letters like the Roman alphabet was a conceptual breakthrough. A breakthrough that allowed Mandarin, Japanese, and many other non-Western languages to be typed by a computer keyboard. At its core, the machine is also a political project, one that imagined the Chinese language as equal, if not superior, to Western languages, and one which dreamed of a global open world where languages and people of all backgrounds interfaced seamlessly with each other.